Hello, beautiful. Nikki here from Crazy Simple Truth, and I'm so glad you're here today because I bought this little calendar for 25 cents at Dollar Tree today, and I bought it because it had such cute watercolor pictures in it, and I made a video for my Tip Sisters with some really, really cute ideas that I'm going to use it for. But one of the things that I told them that I haven't done with it, you did not show them, is I'm going to use it to Bible journal. So I'm going to take it apart here, and let's see, which one do I want to use? Some of them I even thought would be so pretty to frame. Like this one's beautiful. It was a quarter. A quarter. Like seriously. A quarter. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Maybe this one. It's supposed to be December, but I kind of like these pink flowers down here, and these don't necessarily have to look like berries. So I'm gonna rip it because I'm gonna maybe like kind of decoupage it in my Bible. Or do I wanna? No, you know what? I'm not. I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna fussy cut this flower because I think it would be really cute, and glue it in. So look, it was one quarter at Dollar Tree because it's already, almost June, and well, maybe when I post this video, it will be June, and so it's halfway through the year. People aren't really buying calendars anymore, and so I thought, you know what, I could do a lot of things with that, and I came up with some really clever ideas, but they are top secret clever ideas for my Tip Sisters. And if you want to be a Tip Sister, there's a link in the description box, because they get some really awesome tips that y'all don't get. But I'm still really good to my YouTube viewers. Oops, I had to stand up and pause it. My son came in the room, and then I about knocked myself over in the chair. That would have been kind of funny. Okay, cutting. So this is called fussy cutting, if you didn't know. My friend had to teach me this. I had no clue. I mean, I've cut things out like this for years, but I didn't know there was a name. My nails are so dry. I apologize. I just keep putting lotion on, and I don't know what's going on. But they are what they are. And they are. And I ain't here to impress you. I'm here to teach you. Okay, anyway. Me and my weirdness. There it is. Ta-da! So now, let's cut out this little bit smaller one too with it. Don't you love that? Oh, this one has that green on it though. I don't think I want to do that. I know what I'll do. I'll cut out this bigger one. And just do it at the half of the bottom of the page. So I think it'll fit in my note-taking Bible. I could use it in my prayer journal Bible because I do sometimes cover the words in that, but it's not really a Bible. It just happens to be a Bible that I use as a prayer journal where I write prayers to God, and it took me a lot of bravery to be able to cover the words, but I do cover some of the words in that one sometimes. I do not in this one, because this one I still do Bible study with, and I put art in it, and so I definitely do not want to cover the words in this note-taking Bible here, because I use it to take notes, and I highlight and do all kinds of stuff with it. I just got it in December, so I haven't even had it quite 6 months, and it is almost full of stuff that I've done with it, which is fun. Get my little scraps out of the way. Okay, see, those are pretty. Let's find a page to put them on, shall we? What's on this page? I did some tape on that page and didn't do anything else, so maybe I'll put it on this page. That'd be kind of pretty. So this one will have to go down at the bottom, and it looks like I will have to cut it. Let's see what happens if I put it at the top and then clip that edge off. Okay, so I'll do that. We can do that. And then, let me think. Hang on. Yeah. It would have been pretty if I would have done a little bit of watercoloring under it to just kind of add some color behind it so it came out from under it. But I might be able to use my let's see. All right, now this one. So the thing about this is these are like glossy paper, so it's not like as good as like when you use like a piece of typing paper that you glue down, or like, you know, a piece of scrapbook paper. This is kind of glossy, but it's working and it's really cute. So this one I'm going to put like over here, and I actually want to make sure that I can see the definition between the two. So right there. And it's going to overhang a little too, which is fine because I'll trim it. Isn't that pretty? It looks like I watercolored in there. And that was so cheap. And think of how many more pages I can do with just that one cheap Dollar Tree calendar for $1. Like, that is awesome, seriously. I'm really excited about it. And actually, I love that I had the washi tape there because it matched it. I didn't even realize I had that in there. Now that I think of it, I think I might have done that the day I did the washi tape in your Bible, but I may not have. I don't know when I did that, but it's cute. And it was perfect for this, and I love it. So let me know in the comments below if you have ever done something like that, found something in clearance or on sale that you have tried to use for your Bible journaling that wasn't really meant to be used for Bible journaling. I'd love to know. So leave in the comments below. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I give you crazy simple tips to get into God's truth so God's truth can get into you, because you're beautiful and God's truth can change your life. I promise you, I'm living proof. So I'll see you later.